You can't create local user accounts in Windows 10 and 11 anymore. In this video I will show you how to create one in 2022. Here we are on the Windows setup page and it's asking for my Microsoft account, but let's say I don't have one and I don't want to create one either. What we are gonna do is for the email we are going to be typing a@a.com. When you click next it will ask you for a password, just type whatever you want and click next. And if you did it correctly this will show up and say oops something went wrong. Just click next. Now you can enter the name of the profile. Click next. Now enter the password for the profile then hit next. Confirm it. Now create 3 recovery questions in case you forget your password. When you are done click next. And that's how to create a local user account on Windows 10 and 11. If you enjoyed please like the video and click the subscribe button to support this channel.